Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we have a sweet treat that's perfect for any occasion: strawberry shortcake. It's a classic dessert that's both delicious and incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right in. But before we get started, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of fresh strawberries, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar for the biscuits, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cold unsalted butter, 1 cup of cold buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1½ cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, it's time to prep our strawberries. Wash them thoroughly, remove the stems, and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Place them in a bowl, sprinkle with 1/4 cup of sugar, and let them macerate in the fridge while we work on the biscuits. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, add 1/2 cup of cold unsalted butter cut into small pieces. Using a pastry cutter or your fingers, work the butter into the dry ingredients until you have a coarse, crumbly mixture. Now, pour in 1 cup of cold buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Stir until just combined, making sure not to overmix. The key to tender biscuits is not overworking the dough. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and gently pat it down to about 1 inch thick. Use a round biscuit cutter to cut out your biscuits and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Don't forget to gather the scraps and gently press them together to make more biscuits. Then, pop these into a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12–15 minutes or until they're golden brown. While the biscuits are baking, let's make our whipped cream. In a chilled mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Whip until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to over-whip. We want it to be creamy and not too stiff. Our biscuits have baked to perfection, and our whipped cream is ready. Now, it's time for the fun part: assembly. Slice a biscuit in half, spoon some of those juicy macerated strawberries over the bottom half, and add a generous dollop of whipped cream. Place the top half of the biscuit on, and there you have it, a beautiful and scrumptious strawberry shortcake. I hope you enjoyed making this classic dessert with me today. It's a crowd pleaser that's perfect for summer picnics, potlucks, or just satisfying your sweet tooth. If you found this recipe helpful and enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking, everyone!